Greetings from Southern Yankee Homestead. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Well, we're going to be getting into the sawmill today. More specifically, the sawmill head. This needs some work. We're going to start with fixing some of the stuff that was broken before I got it. And hopefully, by that time, we can switch things over and start doing some upgrades on it. By upgrades, well, some of it is maintenance. Got new tires for it because, well, they're the original belts. Now, I am having issues with this mill, and that's one of the reasons why I'm digging into it. When I'm cutting a crown, and I'm literally cutting a crown. So if I start at 3/4 of an inch at the front of the board, I'm a 1/2 inch in the middle, and I'm anywhere between a 1/2 inch and 1 inch by the time I get to the other end. It's consistently off, and I think part of the problem is the way the motor is mounted. So this is not the original motor. This is the 420 Predator. I think the stock one is like a 210, so it's half the size. If you look here, this has been bubble gum and duct taped together very badly. So when we come around here, you can see the pulley is almost touching at the top, but I can get like a finger underneath it. And then it's rubbing right here. So basically the entire belt is tweaked. And I can actually see some of the belts right there, some of the nylon right there in the belt. So I think that might be throwing my blade off. Something like that could in fact cause some blade wobble and God knows what else. So I think the first thing we need to do is get the motor off, disconnect the belt, then get the motor off. We might change the oil too while we're at it. Novel idea. And once we got that off, we can take a closer look at what kind of a mess we're dealing with on the base. And I think for the meantime, we're going to lift this up so that when I'm working under it, I don't have to lay on the floor. And that's also part of what I'm going to be doing as well. A couple things to fix. This hold down doesn't work. This one came broken. And the handle is a wrench. Yeah. So let me get this jacked up and then we'll take a look at underneath. I think that'll do it for now. All right. Oh, that is just glorious. That is lovely crap there. That's even better. Let's see if we can fix that. Yeah, this is something I want to fix also. This works better than what came on it, but needs work. Alright, so we got 9/16. Nope. 5/8. Yeah, I probably should use a deep socket. We'll reuse that if needed. But for now, this should be to adjust it, aka the belt tension. Now, all right. So I was just looking. They use nylocks to hold the motor down. The problem is they never got enough thread on it to actually hold it down. Okay. I don't think this is going to fit either of them. Oh no, God no. What about this side? This is a different size. Oh yeah. All right, we got 3 different sized bolts. I like it. Let's see if that's a 5/8 also. Nope, not a 5/8. 11/16. Oh, 11/16 it is. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna need another 11/16. While I was thinking, I decided to go ahead and pull the, main drive belt off, which this is interesting. So, see there, the separation, we got pieces falling off it. This is actually the back side. You can see the bands the whole way around. But the really interesting thing, here's the old belt, here's the new. Yeah, this one is seriously skinnier than this one. So, yeah, we're gonna keep this, but we're also gonna change it out. And I'm just curious. Oh, that sits much taller. Yeah. It might actually be a problem. I might not be able to adjust this all the way. Are these different sized belts? They are. They are significantly different. There's no way in hell I can get that out there. Yeah. Because I'm doubting I can stretch this that much. All right. Oh, let me go back online. Go ahead and do that. This one might fit. Let's find out. I don't even know if I can get this thing out of here. This thing might be permanently welded to the wheel. I think we're going to be safer to pull it out than to change it while it's in there. It's a metric rated bolt, but it's a 5/8 head because it's a 8.8 on the bolt. That was interesting. Okay, let's see if a 3-jaw will fit. This is why we're going to pull it off. Really? Okay. Alright, something is moving, but I don't think it is my pulleys. That should not be coming off that hard. She's definitely under strain. There's no way that should be that tight. It should just come off the shaft, shouldn't it? So I don't feel a snap ring on the back side. Yeah, so those are pressed in there. Got the belt out. They look to be about the same size, although this one is a little bit thicker. So let's see how this goes. Whee! Yeah, I'm not an expert, but that don't seem like it's gonna fit to me. Might need a stronger clamp, but let's try it. Oops. Let's unbalance the wheel, why don't we? Yeah, I'm not liking that. Okay. Certainly a rubber band. Oh, hey, I think we got it partially in. No. Ah. Oh, well, now comes the fun part. Get it on there. Can we get the twist out of it? How do we get the twist out of it? Yeah, that's 180 out. There for now. And pop that off. See, I gotta go 180 out that whole thing. We're losing it. We lost it. Maybe. That's the key. Let's put the sharp stabby thing away. figure it out as we go along. Let's just try going closer, see what happens. Maybe we can get her flip around a little. What do I do with another screwdriver? That was fun. So I was able to get the belt on there. I had to do some very creative screwdriver work, but we're on there now. That was tighter than a whew. So I'm wondering if maybe that other belt is supposed to be that tight, but I don't think I'm going to worry about it tonight. I think tonight I am going to go take a shower, go to bed, and come at this with a fresh mind tomorrow, because that was not fun. Anyhow.